Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop Microsoft Word to autosave in OneDrive folder. If you want to stop your Microsoft Word file saving automatically in your OneDrive, then here are the process. Launch any Microsoft Word file and here go to File from the top left corner and go to Options. Click on Options. Here from the left side of Available menu, click on Save. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find autosave file stored in the cloud by the default in Word. When autosave is on, OneDrive and SharePoint online files are automatically saved and you can see changes from others. So simply uncheck this option. Thereafter scroll down and save to computer by default local file location you will find. Here click on default local file location, click on browse and choose a different location from where you want to save your Microsoft Word documents files. For example, we will choose D drive, then simply click on OK and your default local file location now changed from OneDrive to your selected D drive. And finally click on OK to save the changes. From the bottom right corner you will find the option OK to save the changes. Now you have successfully changed your MS Word file saving location from OneDrive to your D drive as selected. That's all.